Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect your Spectrum cable box to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this setup is very simple, but small mistakes can cause that annoying no signal message. So here is how you can connect it properly. So first of all, you need to locate the HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Most of the Samsung TVs have multiple HDMI inputs on the back or side. Now you need to grab your HDMI cable, then you need to plug one end into the Spectrum cable box, HDMI out port, and then you need to plug the other end into the TV HDMI in port. So once you have done that, you just have to power on both the devices. Using your Samsung remote, simply press the source button or the input button. Select the HDMI port that you have just used. Within a few seconds, your Spectrum screen should appear. If you see no signal error, you just have to check these three things. So number one, just make sure that the HDMI cable is fully inserted. Number two, just confirm that you have selected the correct HDMI input. Number three, you need to verify the Spectrum box is powered on. Now, if your TV has multiple HDMI ports, you can try another one if it is needed. For the older TVs without HDMI, you can use the AV cables. So match the colors, whether it is red, white or yellow, but HDMI is always better for the picture quality. If your remote isn't controlling the box, you may need to pair it through the Spectrum settings, but video will still work without pairing. You can also go through this particular flowchart over here if you face any kind of problem while doing it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.